Hi everyone, my name is Maddi Stump and I study environmental policy here at BGSU and I am a May 2020 graduate and I'm involved in Bowling Green Alternative Breaks or what we call BGAB. And in 2018 or 2019 spring and 2020 spring, I was a site leader for our alternative spring break trips. And then in the 2019-2020 school year, I was the special events coordinator on the leadership team. And Bowling Green Alternative Breaks is a student-run program that sends students on alternative break experiences. These are service learning opportunities where you're working alongside a community partner and learning about social justice and ways that service and activism can work towards social justice as a whole. And we send these trips all across the country. One of my favorite trips was to a farm in Boone, North Carolina, and that's where I was a site leader twice. And Bowling Green Alternative Breaks really allowed me to find my passion for service and to work with a group of people who also had a strong passion and drive for serving and for learning about ways that we can become active and work towards combating some of the social and environmental injustices in our society.